Hello there, good morning kids. Today we are going to keep going on discovering colors. I have a whole bunch of colors here. I have this green color, I have yellow, I have black, purple. I also have food coloring too, guys. Look, food coloring. Because guess what? Spring is here. Spring is coming on the 21st. Today is the 19th. 2 more days, it will be springtime. And with the spring comes different colors, right? Including the black color too, because black is a color, brown is a color, yellow is a color. All colors are color and all colors are important, right? And today we are going to be making a rainbow with using black too. See guys? We can make a rainbow using the black color. So I am going to tell you how I made this rainbow, okay? The first thing I did was I print out a nice pretty rainbow from the computer. You can make your own rainbow if you want, but me, I printed out, okay? And what I did was I put a bunch of glue in each of those little lines here. Well, all this, I glue all this with liquid glue, okay? And also underneath here for the clouds. And I am going to tell you a secret about all these little pieces that you guys see here. You see that, guys? Guess what? I found those pieces from the printer. You see the hole puncher that they get all this leftover paper when we use the hole puncher? All this, guys? You see all this that we get from the photocopier, and most of us, we throw it in the garbage. So I said, well, let's use this for our art today. So I got those from the photocopier, from the puncher little container in your photocopier. You can ask your teachers to get that for you, and you use that for your art, okay kids? That is how I made this pretty rainbow. You see it? All those little things. See? We can recycle that. And did you notice that my rainbow have all color there? It's so awesome. Anyways, I am going to show you a little bit of how I did that, okay? And I print out all my pictures that I wanted to for the spring. You can display this in your classroom. You can also write your name on this. Let me write my name here. Okay? Mrs. Morrow, because I am making this. It's my own art. Right? There we go. You can do this and write your own name. I did mine and I wrote my name. I am going to show you with each of the little lines what you can do for one whole rainbow, okay? I'm going to show you 2 lines with the glue and the hole puncher paper, how I did it, okay kids? Now I am going to show you, here I have a lot of different pieces of paper to here, guys, to do my art. I have this color, I have this color, I have black too. See, I have green, orange, brown, yellow, and black, okay? And I will use that for one line of my rainbow, so to show you how you can do any of them, but I will do a couple lines of each, okay kids? Including making a couple with sugar, okay? I am going to make a couple with white sugar, or you can use salt too. But I am going to start right now, okay? First of all, let's start with the one that I did here with the stuff, okay? Why don't I make first Well, we'll leave the sugar for later because the sugar is so messy because you have to put the liquid food coloring. I'll leave it for last so I don't make a mess here. Right, guys? We don't want a mess. Okay, so let's do the hole puncher first. Okay, the hole puncher little leftover stuff. Okay, kids? And I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. We first glue 2 lines, or you can do your whole rainbow with the hole puncher leftover, but I am going to show you a couple lines of each choices that you can have. Okay, so I am going to do the first 2 lines with blue in hole puncher recycling paper. Okay, here you are. I have this first 2 with liquid glue. Okay, now I am going to put my hole puncher leftover recycling stuff. Okay, right here. See, I just put it all here. I just put it all here, okay? Place it here. I'll put a whole bunch because I want them to cover really good, okay? And you need to let it dry, but you can even do this. See, do this so it will stick to it, okay, guys? Right? There we go. Now I'm going to shake off the leftovers, okay? Oh, look how pretty it is. So pretty, you guys. That's so pretty. Look, guys, I have already my first 2 lines with the hole puncher recycling. Okay, guys? Now what I am going to do with this, I can put some, let me see if I can find some sparkles here. Okay, now what I can do is I can use my colors to do this. Okay, I am going to use this because I don't have a paintbrush, but I will use this. Okay, kids, let's start with the purple. Okay, let's put some purple over here. You guys will use your paintbrush, okay, kiddos? But me, I don't have a paintbrush, so I have to do what I can with what I have. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just move my paint over here. Move my paint all over here, right, guys? There we go. There we go, guys. This is so much fun, kids. See? I already have my purple color going here. And then, you know, they stick up and they look so pretty when they go like that. And you put some more. Just pick from wherever you have too much and just distribute it evenly if you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Trust me, it doesn't. There we go. We got our purple going. Oh, it's too much purple here and none here. Okay, let's get some purple from here. Let's get some more purple from here. Like it. There we go. Oh, this is so purple. There, bam, we have purple color going. Remember, use our own rag because you don't want to make a mess in your house. And then say, Mrs. Moore's fault. Then I am going to use red at the top. Why not? Okay, let's use some red at the top here. Okay, some red here. A little bit of red. So that is quite a bit, right? Then you clean your straw or stick or paintbrush like it, and distribute your red color all over the place here. Look, just spread it all over here. Spread that red color all over, kiddos. Come on. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. Us teachers have so much fun. And kids have fun too. There we go. And all those colors going. Oh man, it looks so awesome. See, this is why you need an old rag, because sometimes you can make a big, huge mess, and you can pick some color from there and go over here. See, with your paintbrush, you won't have that. You will do it faster and easier, but faster is not always the best. You don't need to do anything too fast. For everything we do, we have to enjoy, and also take our time, guys. Right, kiddos? We take our time at everything we do. At everything we do, right, guys? There we go. Red, red, red. There we go. Perfect. There we go. We got red. We got red. We have red. Now, you can also use glue here. Glue over here, guys. So I'm not going to use the liquid one to put the sugar in color, because what happened was that glue, guys, that liquid glue ran all over the place. I tried to do this before, and guess what? Now we use a little bit of sugar. There we go. Oh, a little bit of sugar here. Oh no, my bunny fell. Okay, there we go. And sugar, more sugar. Let's get more sugar here. And like I said before, you guys can just go press it down so stick to it faster, like it. And shake it off. Shake the sugar off. There. Here, I got my sugar already in here. You see it? Let me put it here. See, this is all sugar there. You can use salt too. Now, I am going to use color. I am going to use this color. This is a green color. You know, I'm going to use this green color for this top that doesn't have any glue or doesn't have anything. And guess what? I don't have a toothbrush, but I made one. I used my scissors and I cut all the end of this little piece of cardboard, and I made my own brush. Let's see if it works now. So now I'm gonna put some green in here. you need to have a wet paper towel too, guys, so you can clean some mess. Sometimes the color go over where you don't want it to go, right, guys? I don't want green in here. I want to leave this the way it is. So I'll use another color there, right, guys? There. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of glue here, a little bit of liquid glue. And guess what, guys? I put liquid glue. You can use liquid glue if you want, and then spread it all over here with your little cardboard brush. See? I use my little cardboard brush that I made all by myself. All by myself. All by myself. Okay, and almost there. Like I said before, no rush. We don't need to hurry. No rush. No need to rush. This right, kids? Right. Now I am going to clean the area where the glue went into another line of the rainbow, right, guys? See? There. Now I'm gonna put more sugar on this, kids. I need this sugar to be on top of this here, guys, because I want this to work for me. Right? Right. And more in these corners, more on the corners, more on the corners. There we go. Looks so cool. Now let's shake our sugar off again. Now, guys, look how the sugar looks in here. See? It's looking so awesome. Now I am going to show you guys how we're going to pour more color. We're going to use the food coloring. Let's use the blue, okay, here. A little bit of blue. And we're just gonna drop this blue here, okay, kids? Okay, let's see if it works here, because it's like a droplet. Let me try it before, because I don't want a big drop. How's it gonna go? Okay. Oh, it's gonna be alright, I think. There we go. Put it in the center so it will go on both sides. Oh, this is so cool. Nice. And it looks black. And it's okay, because black is another color in the colors family, right, guys? So love it. This looks so cool, guys. I want to let you guys take a little peek of this. Put the lid on this so I don't get too excited and make a big mess on this with this, right, kids? Look. This is the, oh, with the sugar, guys, look how this sugar looks over here. Perfect, perfect. And for that one, the last one, I am going to get, you can use green color. You can use a marker, okay? It doesn't have to be all the So I'm gonna use the marker for my green color. I should be able to dry this a little bit, hey guys, because we don't want this to be a big mess here. So let's put some green in here. So that nice combination of the blue and green, it looks so pretty. And there is my rainbow. And now under here I'm gonna put all my other stuff, and we are going to call it quits for this part. And then on the other video you will see how I will make the flowers and the flower and the butterfly. Okay, kids? Okay, so all you do is you get this from the computer, cut it and glue it in a nice colorful piece of paper, and you just put glue and put all your photocopying stuff here, okay? Hole punchers. Oh, I don't want this in here. I don't want this. I don't want that one in here. So there we go, kids. Here is our rainbow all done with black, because black is another color too, right, kids? Yes, it is. Okay, let me just get rid of this and I will show you. Look at this, kiddos. Oh, the cloud is running down. Look at this, kiddos. Isn't that nice? This is so awesome. I'll show you the final thing. There we go. Here is our rainbow with hole puncher, recycling paper. Okay, and on the next video we're going to do this butterfly. Okay, I'll see you in a bit, kids.